What is up? How are we today, guys? Happy day. Good morning. It's Monday. It's a wild day. I am so freaking tired from the party yesterday, and well, it's early. I have to go to work today, and it's gonna be a day for sure. So, welcome to SarPlans. I have to tell you something. We did it. 750, baby. I'm shocked. I love it. I'm so happy. You guys are freaking amazing, and I am blessed. Thank you so much. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you must be new, and welcome. All right, get down there and subscribe because you're going to be part of this next goal. But my goal was to get to 750 subscribers by the end of March. And guess what? We have 2 days left. 3 days. Yeah, the rest of that's not in here. It is 3 days. Thank you to the little calendar there that everybody wants gone. So, with all of that said, and the biggest thank yous I can send out, next goal. I mean, what do we do? Another 100? Another 150? Let's see what we can do. All right, so let's go with 900. Can we get 150 subscribers in April? Well, that's the goal. And there is a big giveaway at the end of that rainbow. So without further ado, let's get to planning. All right, guys, so this is leftover random ass kit week. So this is the one I decided to start out with for Monday, with no particular reason except when we picked it out, I loved it, and that's all there was to it. So I grabbed a washi, and I decided that no matter what, I'm gonna pull out my my Duo album, and I think that there's gonna be stuff in here that can match if we need to. Like, I really thought there was a blue, but okay. That's so weird. I really thought there was a blue, but if we need it, this will match. So I'm gonna probably use the date covers because I didn't use them at all. What do you say? Okay, so typically, like last week, I was decorating both days, and I don't see how that works. So really what I'm gonna try to do is just keep this short and sweet, and I don't know how much talking there's gonna be because, like, thought process and stuff, but, you know. Let's start at the top, I guess. I mean, it's only the right thing to do. Just start at the top and work our way down. So I'm gonna drop this, just some washi to cover up the monthly color because clearly it does not work for us right here, right now. Remember, don't pull your washi too tight because it will curl up your page. There we go. All right, gorgeous. Monday, 29th. All I have to say is it matches, right? All right, so I'm gonna try not to use these as much as I can to let the other things shine, but at the same time, who knows what there even is here. Okay, so lots of these, which, I mean, we can definitely try to get them in instead of using check boxes, right? So that's cool. Time out. Perfect. let's see. Let's try to use these. I saw there were some flags. Okay, so. Oh, perfecto. Very nice. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna just drop this bad boy right here. Let's drop these school ones, these things. I'm regretting this already. So I wonder, with a little ingenuity, we can make this better. Much better. You know why? Because I really wanted to use the rest of these, so yeah, there's that. I'm liking it, but I want to get less of this in there and more of this. So this isn't going to work right here. This is not going to work because I need to be able to put this underneath of it. I don't think there's another page flag, but there are these, and they are cute. Beautiful. It's fine. Will these fit down here? They will. Cool. Very good. Let's lay that sucker. So then we can get one up here too, that means. Nice. Very cool. Okay, a little bit of pen up in here, up in here, up in here. Okay, what do we need to do today? Who even knows? All right. Oh my Lanta. Okay, this is looking good. I need gray. I am a mess. Apparently, I can't even draw a straight line today. All right, let's get our PM routine written in. Okay. Oh, there's a meal sticker here, isn't there? Oh, duh, there they are. That works, right? Totally works. I don't think there's anything else crazy we need in here today, so let's just set these aside. We already used these. If something comes up, we'll whip that out. I want to focus on using, oh boy, I want to focus on using these, but I think that we have done well. I mean, we need to do something down here. This will be fun. I'll use it from here first. Ta-da. What do we need here? Boom. Okay. Last thing. Last thing, my babes. I thought this might be a little sexy to get under this. Right? Add a little pop. A little pop pop. It's so nice. Anything else on the 29th? It's National Pencil Day. Oh, car payments due. But I already paid it, so we good. I know, tricked you, right? Really, really tricked you there. It's glorious. It's just absolutely glorious. Now, we didn't use all of the stickers. I don't even know if that's a possibility for me to use all of them on one page. But I have half a mind to just take these and like throw them away, because what am I gonna do with these now that I've picked through them twice? Okay, this is the second picking, if you feel me here. All right, what else do we have? We're gonna put the weather up here, and I will use this for that, because why not? Because I have it, why not? These little jobbers, I mean, they're not the worst, you know what I mean? Oh, you know what? No. There we go, there's one and two. Okay. So we are going to read and doodle, because those two things make me very happy. All right, now my friends, let me get some weather here. This awesome sampler from Plan Happy Creations. I have her link below, but I'm sad her shop's been closed for a while, and I reached out to her and I haven't heard anything back. So Stacy, if you're watching, girl, I miss you. All right, but she has, look at, glorious enough. Can you see it? It's a windy. It's gonna be extremely windy. Now that does not pop. Yes, it does not. Huh. Oh well, whatever. Okay. The high of 52 and a low of 38. I am gonna write on it with this too. Don't fret. So I just need something for right there. Since we used all of her stickers to begin with, this is planning made easy. Okay, all of these stickers, well, besides the duo stickers, The duo stickers are from Daily Dose of Stickers, and they coincide with every month of the EC stuff. I'm pretty continuously buying them so that I have them for every month. Apparently, I don't always use them. It has to be for February. That has to be February's kit. Okay, so there's our weather. We got paid. We got all of our things. Guys, we're done. It's looking good, and this wasn't too much of a struggle, so I'm kind of pumped. But I hope you're joining along with me. If you are, let me know in the comments below. And if you are not aware, we are doing a leftover kit week. I am supplementing a little bit because this is a totally different style of planner. I mean, come on. It would be kind of difficult to straight up just use things that were made for the hourly and the vertical. So, guys, I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're joining in, and get down there and subscribe, because now we have a new goal because you guys are freaking awesome. So I want you to tell your friends. Tell your friends and tell them to let me know that you sent them, that you referred them. Maybe I can kind of use that in the giveaway, seeing, you know, if there's referrals, we'll stack those up for giveaway entries. What do you say? I'll talk more about this tomorrow, and I hope you enjoyed this. Make that Monday everything it needs to be, because it is the start to your week, and dare I say, we set the tone. It's what we need to do. Set the tone for like just smashing it all, just killing it, loving it, working it. All right, guys. So get down there and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the way that I use this random ass kit. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you tomorrow. Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.